My name's Hannah and I'm currently doing the siwrne course with Dysgwch Iaith. I've been learning Welsh just over a year now. First of all, I feel so much more connected to the world around me in the sense that I can look at signs that are there, I can understand the Welsh, I can understand the English. I've also built connections through my Welsh. Just being the fact that I'm learning has meant that I've made more friends and also gained more opportunities, and I really have more of a thorough appreciation of the language and Welsh culture. To anyone who's thinking about learning Welsh, I just say go for it. Even if you just want to learn the basics, even if it's just pronunciation or learning a few basic phrases, it will really improve your knowledge of the language and help you connect with more people in Wales. It's a fantastic learning opportunity. It's also a lot cheaper than most language courses, so take the opportunity while you can.